I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just compete.
Gang, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. So those, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a maintenance slash pack with me as I get ready for my upcoming trip this weekend. So I'm not going to be vlogging this weekend. So I just decided, okay, well, I'm just going to pack with my dolls, show them what I'm wearing. And you would have to follow me on Instagram to see the looks that I'm going to put together at official Jazzy B. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get straight into the video. Whoop. Shit. So I'm gonna be going on a little trippy trip. And I was gonna take my small suitcase, but I needed more space, so I'm gonna take the big one. But y'all, I am not overpacking like I did last time. Last time I went on a trip, man, I did way too much. Way too much. I did way too much. I ended up putting stuff in everybody else's luggage, trying to get stuff out of mine so I can get it under 70 pounds. Like, it was just a mess. Ow. Okay, so basically I'm just going to transfer everything that's in this suitcase to this one. Oh, look at these shades. I can go ahead and show y'all because I don't think I'm going to upload this video until Sunday. Maybe. But, baby, you can't tell me. You cannot tell me, baby. I love things so much. So, we're taking these. I had to stop by Walmart and get me some little jewelry, you know. A little bracelet. But anyway, so I'm about to probably let the music play as I do this because I'm probably not going to be talking about a doggone thing. Y'all just watch me pack my suitcase.
Always on my mind, and when it's late at night, I think of what you're doing. Do you think of me sometimes? And when I'm feeling down, I lose all control. Emotions keep coming out, I'm trying to let you go. So if you wanna talk to me again, don't try to act like we were always friends.